Hi guys, I'm Ben and I'm here at the Pioneer Club for my emerging headliner session powered by JBL. The song's called All I Do, and I wrote it with a friend of mine when I was at uni, in like the last week of uni. Obviously had a hand in and waited till the last day and then got an extension, and so we wrote an album in 2 weeks, which I do not recommend to anybody. It was quite taxing mentally. And All I Do is one of the songs that came out of it that I actually liked. Yeah, my friend gave me the first line of it and I was like, okay, there's something there. Like immediately, it made me think of like sort of the mundane situations in a relationship that either you enjoy at the time or you miss when it's gone. And the reason I say that is because the whole situation flipped, because I wrote the song for the friend who gave me these lyrics to hear. And then the day after she gave me them, I sung it. And she told me that that boyfriend had actually cheated on her. She was really upset. And then the whole meaning flipped on me, and I was kind of thinking maybe I should make it more about the things that you miss, like just like getting up and wishing someone didn't go into work, having a day off and enjoying that time together. Playing grassroots venues with equipment like this is just like different levels. And I think it's so important because having attended loads of gigs and been playing loads of gigs, especially locally, keeping the venues alive post-COVID is so important. And it's so crucial to find artists, new artists. And I go to gigs and I'm like, oh my God, this person has like no songs out and they're amazing. And I really hope that they keep doing things. But it's so hard to just jump up to a stage where people will hear you and see you. Without this, it doesn't exist. And playing here, having such crispy sounds makes me feel like I actually can do this. It actually makes me feel like I don't have to worry about anything anymore. It's just like, just play the song, just enjoy it. Using the JBL speakers was really nice. I really enjoyed it. I would 100% recommend the JBL system. I would love a few myself, I can't lie. I just think there's nothing wrong with it. EQ balance sounds so nice. Even from behind, where sometimes you get such a bad boom, I didn't even notice a thing. I just got to play the song and enjoy it. Using the AKG mic today was just so nice, and it was super crispy. It was so good. I think it sounded so nice. I've used AKG condensers and stuff when I'm micing up amps, micing up vocals, in a lot of sessions, and it's usually the go-to, to be honest with you, because you can just trust that it's going to be reliable.
Cigarettes and morning sex, your skin next to mine. Well, I always feel so special when you're playing on my mind. Laughing 'cause you're running late, but you can't find your shoes. You should call in sick again. There's so much we could do. What's yours is mine, lows and highs, carelessly entwined. But desperately I hold you close. You love it when I don't let go. And all I do is for you. Don't let the ride get you down. There's nothing we can't figure out. All I do is for you. Nietzsche said that God is dead, but she lives at home with me. Working feet are warm with promises that soon she will be free. And I don't know that things are sure to change, but like nightingales in summer, we'll come back again. What's yours is mine, lows and highs, carelessly entwined. But desperately I hold you close. You love it when I don't let go. And all I do is for you. Well, don't let the ride get you down. There's nothing we can't figure out. All Cigarettes and morning sex, your skin next to mine. I always feel so special when you're playing on my mind. And desperately I hold you close. I love it when I don't let go. All I do is for you. And don't let the ride get you down. There's nothing we can't figure out. And all I do is for you. What's yours is mine. Lows and highs, carelessly